Hindi mo na ba mapigilan ang sarili mo sa pagbili ng kung ano-ano? Nahihirapan ka ba mag-budget ng pera mo? O kaya naman wala nang natitirang pera tuwing linggo? Naku, financial literacy ang kailangan mo. And you're on the right channel.
Because here in Cashwise, we will ensure that kaalamang pinansyal at tamang paghawak ng pera ay makukuha mo.
Cashwise is a channel dedicated to our media campaign entitled Tungo sa Kwartamong Daanong Pag-unlad that seeks to address the lack of financial literacy that young people nowadays should have. This campaign focuses on teaching and making every individual understand the significance of financial literacy in their life, regardless of their social background and career path.
They should understand that being financially literate involves more than just understanding how to stick to a budget and save money. It's a skill that's necessary